If you're interested in this makeup look or any makeup look that you see on this channel, follow me on my Instagram page because I usually put the walkthrough and the product information on each post. My Instagram is Conversations with Candace, and I will leave it in this video as well. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. As you can see, I still have my braids in and I've added some jewels to it. It's been about 3 weeks since I got my hair braided, and you know that means I had to wash it. And I mentioned washing my hair to my stylist and she said, why don't you try this product? And she sent me a picture of this Ors Herbal Cleanse. It's a dry shampoo for like braids and stuff like that. I see it's for cleansing and refreshing braids, locks, twists, and other natural styles without shampoo. Now, I have to be honest, I've never cleaned my scalp without shampoo, with the exception of one time when I wanted to keep some cornrows for a protective style. So I wasn't really sure how it was going to work, but I did order it on Amazon and it came in a couple of days. I believe it was $10.99, and I want to show you how I use it, and then we'll talk about whether I think it's worth it or not. So there are two different directions. One is to cleanse the scalp, and then one is to cleanse the hair. So I wanted to for sure cleanse my scalp because my scalp gets very dry. Even if I add oil and stuff, I have to wash it regularly, usually every week, but obviously with braids, I'm not going to do it every week. So this says to cleanse the scalp, apply a generous amount directly to the hair and massage. Let sit on the hair for 1 minute. Remove residue with a warm, damp towel. And then you do the same thing if you want to cleanse your hair. You put a small amount of product on a towel, rub it through your hair, and then use a clean, wet towel to wipe it out. Well, putting it on my scalp was super easy because I have really straight parts in my hair. So I just went section by section. I did the back first and then the front. I really wanted to make sure that when I put it on, I rubbed it in, and I wanted to get the flakes off. When my hair gets dry, not only does it get dry, but it gets flaky. And I try not to scratch it, but I scratch and I get flakes. So I rubbed it in section by section, and what I felt immediately was like a cooling feeling. I think that's the herbal part of it, and I really like it, but I wasn't sure what was in it. So I went to the back of the bottle, and the first ingredient is alcohol. And I know that alcohol can be very drying, but it also cleanses my hair. So immediately I knew that after using this product, I was absolutely going to have to moisturize my hair. But also, it has this lavender and sweet basil feel to it, or smell to it rather, and I really did like that. So I continued to put it throughout my hair, and then I wiped it out with a warm, damp towel. Now let's talk about how I feel about the product. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this dry shampoo situation about an 8. I really do like it. It was different for me. It took a little more time, but it obviously saved some time, because if I had washed my hair in the shower, not only would it have made my braids a little bit looser, but it would have taken forever for my hair to dry. And when my hair was braided, there was she put like gel and stuff in it, so it would just look beautiful. And if I wash that stuff out, that's when my braids would start to get fuzzy. Now, obviously, in my scalp area where the hair has grown out, it is a little bit fuzzy, but my braids still look amazing. And I want them to look as good as possible for as long as possible. I appreciate this product having the alcohol in it, so I know that my scalp is actually sanitized. Like, doing the soap and water makes me feel like it's really, really clean, but this is a great alternative. So I am looking forward to wearing these braids for at least 3 more weeks, as long as my hair hasn't grown out so much, and I probably will use this again in about 2 weeks. Now, obviously, it's best practice to actually wash your hair, but we have our hair in protective styles so that our hair can grow and be protected and not neglected. I wanted to make sure that if I was going to use this, this was going to do the job and clean my scalp without hurting my hair. Now, what I did do after using this was I went in with a concoction that I made of like oils and braid spray, and I sprayed my scalp as well as my braids, and then I tied my hair down. And I just wanted to make sure that it got into my pores and like conditioned my scalp where I had just used this cleaner. It worked out really, really well. My scalp smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. It really smells like the lavender and sweet basil that they say is in here. So this is the Ors Herbal Cleanse. I do recommend using this if you have your hair in a protective style, or if you have locks, or if you just don't want to go through the process of submerging your hair in so much water and it taking forever to dry. This is super duper clutch. I am glad that India recommended it, and I will be using it again pretty soon. If you have any questions about this product or about my hair or about this makeup look, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this episode, and until next time, y'all have a great day.